as always, high five. After the five. This was cool. This was really cool. But I was worried, right? Because is a company getting free advertisement on my channel because they send me some cool crap? I weighed my options. God, this candy's good, and I'm just like salivating. I weighed my options, and I think that the Sinterit Lisa 3D printer, the SLS 3D printer, I think that it is way out of the price range of 99% of my audience. And so rather than an advertisement for a company, I see this as a showcase of cool technology that could come down in price in the next 24 to 36 months. So I hope you agree with me, because I found it amazing. This is incredible. I know we can go on blogs and websites and we can talk about this stuff and we can look at pictures and you can look at these videos of it. And I don't know about you, maybe it's just me, but it always looks freaking amazing. I am floored that something like this can be printed. And for the most part, on any of the pieces, I can't see layer lines. I can't see them. And the spring is built in. The spring is built in and modeled, and it looks like a spring. Oh, man. And this just blows my mind. It is the laser is sintering a material, but that material is a flexible material. And oh, it's so cool. And this light bulb. I mean, it's a tchotchke, right? You're talking about this cool future technology, and something like this. It looks neat. You could do this with an FDM printer, but I think this is valuable for showing off the print quality of the models that an SLS machine can produce. $8,000, $7,990 US is where it starts. It's 4,990 euros. It says on the website that that's where it starts. And it's incredible. Oh, I wish everybody could see this. I really wish. I mean, go to Sinterit, Sinterit, Sinterit.com. Make contact. Tell them you saw this on my channel. Say, hey, Joel said that experiencing these models in person is one of the coolest things ever. Could you send me a keychain? Could you send me maybe a flexible thing? See if they can send out some models to you to actually look at this stuff. Because, I mean, we can all read about it, but we can't, it's different to experience it in person. And I think that's why this is so valuable. I think this is why this sort of thing needs to get in the hands of everybody, because if more people can see just how cool it is in the beginning, if more people can touch the parts and feel how smooth they are and witness that the layer lines are nearly invisible for the most part, then more people are going to talk about this technology, more people are going to want this technology, more people are going to research this, develop it, and that's what's going to cause the future to cost less. So do what you can. I sincerely believe that SLS printing, nylon materials is a future technology, and the next 24 months is going to be amazing in the things that we see produced by these machines. That's what I think. Hey, and this Krauka Polska candy, it's almost like a milk caramel. It's good. All right. Well, hey, thanks for coming along. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate it, and more now than ever. I gotta go get some coffee. I'm tired. I'll see you in the next one.